bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me?
All right, what's up, guys? It is Wednesday night, and I am packing up. I'm here in my garage packing up some boards for Hurricane Larry. Hurricane Larry's coming up the coast. It's gonna make a bang. I don't know where exactly I'm gonna surf yet. I think the plan is to head to Maine tomorrow morning. I know a spot that's gonna be offshore as the swell fills in, and then the winds are gonna go favorable in New Hampshire tomorrow night. And I think I'm gonna pack up my stuff in New Hampshire and keep heading south down to Rhode Island because it's going to be really big down there. They're saying about 6.5, 7 feet at 16 seconds. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. Gonna pick up some boards. Definitely gonna bring this 5.9 Slamo for some of the smaller stuff tomorrow, and gonna throw this 6.3 Pig Dog Pro in a bag because I think Rhode Island's gonna be really big. So yeah, guys, cross your fingers for this one. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a banger, and wish me luck. Let's go. You.
No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the noggin. Russell Wilson way I get along, stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around a month in every February. Told them side, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777. Yeah, 777. Yeah, told them side, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777.
All right, guys, what's up? I'm a little bit more than halfway to the coast, and right now in New Hampshire, the wind's onshore, but I think it's gonna switch. If not, I do have a spot I can kind of hide out from the wind a little bit, and the swell's on the up. It's like 4 to 5 feet right now at 15 seconds. We just need that wind to switch. It's starting to rain outside, so I'm gonna move some suits up top. They are in a bin, but I just don't want them to get wet. Nothing worse than putting on a wet wetsuit. So I'm gonna move those up top to the Thule, and yeah, hopefully be at the coast in an hour. So stay tuned. Hope we find something good. Let's go. what's up guys? I just got out of the water here in New Hampshire. It was super fun out there. Anywhere from shoulder high, way overhead on the sets, and just lining up on this point break. Unfortunately, I did ding my board getting out of the water. I had to straighten out on a wave and just kicked it into a rock or something, but I'm gonna try to fix that later tonight if I have to. I do have a step up to ride tomorrow, so I think it's gonna be a lot bigger down in Rhode Island. So yeah, plan is pack up my stuff right now, get back in the car, head 2 more hours south to Rhode Island, meet up with Russ, Chuck, Jeff, the boys, and surf a perfect point break tomorrow at the peak of the swell. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let's get it. Whew. I was gonna head straight to Rhode Island, but I met up with Corey, and it looks like if I left now, there's gonna be traffic from Boston. So I'm gonna try to sneak in another session. So we're just driving around in the rain, searching for waves. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, look who I found.
I'm a mess.
Oh yeah buddy, look at this thing. Colors are popping on the camera.
It used to have like this traction pad on it that looked like the stuff that you put in your like cabinets for under your plates, like the no slip stuff.
Oh,
like glued, like it was in this whole section.
dude, you should have left that on.
It was falling off, rotting off. Yeah, that was like a decade ago.
All right, we're about to go surf this point. Can't tell you where we're at, but it's just good to surf with buddies. What can I say? Second session, way more fun with friends. Let's go. What's up guys? Made it to Rhode Island tonight. It's about 10:47, about to hit it. Jeff put us up in Westport, and we're gonna kind of explore some point breaks tomorrow. I'm up in the barn, nice little setup. What up, Chuck? What? Yeah, so we're gonna kind of explore around. Russ and I are gonna, and Jeff are gonna surf a point up the street, and I think Chuck's gonna go on a little boat adventure. So stay tuned. It's gonna be another big one. Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. Just woke up at Jeff's barn in Rhode Island, and there's a point break right up the street. We're going to go check for a surf check right now, this morning, and see what the swell is doing. From some of the reports online, it looks like it's a little bit smaller than expected, but that's fine. I'm sure it's still going to be a blast regardless of what we find out there. So let's go have a look, see what we get. Morning surf check, going right? If you guys have been watching the vlog long enough, you remember Jeff. Jeff, say what up. You. So he's got a point break just a couple minutes from the house, so let's go check it. You.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
I just want to check in, guys. We had a good session this morning. It was super clean, and yeah, some solid ones rolling through. The boys just dropped me off, and I'm kind of cutting through some yards right now, working my way out to this point, and yeah, there's no one on it, so I'm gonna go surf it solo. The boys are going to Wingfoil, so I'll meet up with them later, and yeah, wish me luck. It's a left, so let's go get some lefts. Yoo. Alright guys, just heading out, and this is crazy. Literally left-hand point all to myself, no one on it. It's just gonna be me. Yeah, I mean, can't ask for anything more, right? Here comes the set. What's up, guys? I just got through Boston traffic, and I'm on my way back to Vermont from Rhode Island. What a mission. That was epic. Thank you, Larry. Thanks for everyone's hospitality in New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Jeff, Russ, Corey, everyone I linked up with. That was super fun. Yeah, I left Vermont, surfed 2 different points in New Hampshire. Then after the night session, headed south to Rhode Island and scored a bunch of waves with the boys down there too. So super tired, road dogging it, but it was super fun. Missed my family terribly. So it's gonna be good to get back home to Jill and the boys and see what they've been up to. And so Thank you guys for watching this one. If you haven't already, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And let's do it again. More on the way, guys. Peace.